We've been unveiling our trader acronyms all week. So today we are sharing our final two, Julie Biel and Mike Khouw. Julie, what is your 2024 trader acronym?
So my trader acronym is TRACK, because I'm going to try to stay on track this year, which isn't always very easy for me, what with the ADHD that I have. Starting with TransUnion, a lot of what I'm trying to think about are big secular themes that can kind of support growth in 2024. TransUnion, has a lot of exposure to, the availability of credit with their scoring and, being one of the few bureaus that exists out there. So I think that they benefit from a better interest rate environment. A is Aspen Technology, primarily a company that focuses on chemicals and oil and gas, but they have this really great grid asset, and I think we're going to see a lot of grid infrastructure spend happening in 2024. We really need to modernize our grids. They're a mess. The first C is Certara. Certara is kind of a simulation software business for biosimulation. So as we see more drug development move more and more into simulation in silica, I think this is a company that benefits. They're really well positioned and lodged right in there in the FDA. And then the last one is Cooper. Cooper is a contact lens company. What they have that's really unique is this myopia management contact lens that you can give children to offset the impacts of their spending a lot more time indoors. And I think that's going to really rise in prominence as parents try to offset any kind of myopia that they see in their kids. So
that's interesting.
That's my track.
I like these names. Yeah, these are names we don't often talk about. Okay, Mike, it's your turn. What's your acronym for this year?
I think people should be brave in 2024. And the B is for Bitcoin. So, of course, it got a little bit volatile around this ETF launch, but I think you have to think a little bit about money flows. It's going to be a little bit slow for the uptake for those that haven't been able to participate, and I still think that Bitcoin is likely to test its all-time highs. R is actually for the residential MBS, so that's RMBS, or it's a play on real estate, I suppose, but really it's on the credit side. Really, I think the benefit here is that, I think you could see a decline in, say, the 30-year fix. That's a benefit on the duration side. And because the average bond portfolio that contains residential mortgages, number one, in many cases, they're secured by government guarantees. But in addition, the prepayment risk is really not an issue in declining rates. That's the refi. That's where you get negative convexity in your fixed income portfolio in something like a mortgage portfolio. That doesn't really exist here. So you're going to get like 5.5%, but it is both protected, and I think it's probably going to benefit also from a decline in the rate spread between 30 years and the 10-year. So I think that's a potential benefit. A, I'm taking a little license here, is for the chemical symbol for gold, AU. But AU does happen to be the ticker symbol for Anglo Gold Ashanti, which is one of the gold miners. It might not actually be my favorite gold miner. You might better off be choosing something like Newmont. But I liked gold last year, got a little bit less than 10% out of it for the year. I still like it this year, especially if rates come down, because I think that's probably been one of the headwinds. V is for value. I think you can play this if you want to just fairly purely by doing VTV, which is a value ETF. And United Health, which we talked about earlier, is actually the second biggest constituent. And E is for emerging markets, which you could play through an ETF like EEM. That will give you exposure to some of the names that Tim was talking about in China. But if we do see lower rates, that is going to be a headwind to the dollar on a relative basis. And also, emerging markets actually trading cheap to the S&P when you take a look at how those valuations typically have compared.